It would be very helpful if you first try to solve the problem yourself before watching this video.
Question 146. If h is defined as this, then which of the following is equal to the derivative of this function at x equals 0? Okay, so let's differentiate this function and substitute 0 for x. So we're gonna differentiate h of net log 4x plus 1, right? So that is equal to derivative of h prime, right? If we have derivative of this function h prime, then we have to leave all of this expression alone, right? So we have to rewrite net log 4x plus 1 times then derivative of the function inside of the parentheses. We have a net log, right? So it has to be 1 over, it has to be 1 over 4x plus 1 times inside of the parentheses 4x plus 1, right? Chain rule times 4. So I'm going to substitute 0 for x. So at x equals 0, we have h prime here, substitute 0 here, 0 here. Net log 0 plus 1, net log 1 times 1 over 0 plus 1, 1 times 4. Right? Okay, so that is equal to, this one is equal to here, net log 1 is equal to 0, right? So h prime 0 times 1 times 4 times 4. Okay, now we have to find the value of h prime 0. The function h of x is given right here. So let's find the derivative of h first. Here, h prime x is equal to, leave the constant, and that's exponential, right? Then we have to rewrite whole function e to the 4x squared minus x times the derivative of this, right? So that's 8x minus 1. So I'm going to substitute 0 for x since we have to find the value of h prime 0. So substitute 0, 0, 0, right? So h prime 0 is equal to 2 times e to the 0, and 0 minus 1, that's negative 1, right? E to the 0, that's 1. So 2 times 1 times negative 1, that's negative 2, right? So we're almost done. Here, h prime 0 is equal to negative 2. So I'm going to substitute negative 2 for h prime 0. So that is equal to negative 2 times 4, which gives us negative 8. So the answer is A.